Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to configure read caller name allowed for incoming calls in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and click on apps. After clicking on apps, scroll down and now click on phone. In phone you can see the option announce calls. Click on announce calls. Here you can see four options. If you can select always, your call will be announced always. It will be announce your caller name always. And if you can select headphones and car, it will announce caller's name while using you headphones and car. And then select headphones only, it announce caller name while using headphones. And if you can select never, it will never announce a caller name. So this is the way to configure read caller name allowed for incoming calls in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.